This cake is sunshine on a plate. Golden polenta crumb with a citrusy whisper of orange. A juicy caramelized blueberry base that flips everything you know about upside down cake. Welcome back to the cracked mug. Baked in one layer, finished with a dramatic reveal, and naturally dairy-free. This olive oil blueberry cake is impossibly easy and ridiculously delicious. So let's get in that kitchen and make blueberry olive oil polenta cake. Come on.
Add a little olive oil to your baking dish. Coat the bottom and the sides. Add a sheet of parchment paper and oil that as well. Set aside.
With your prepared dish, here I have 265 grams of sugar. I'm going to take about 1/3 cup of that, and I'm going to sprinkle it over the base. That's 90 grams. So 1/3 cup, and sprinkle it all over the bottom. Here I have 450 grams of blueberries. That's about 1 pound. Lay those flat on top of the sugar, just like that. Here I finely grated 1 orange. And I'm going to use it in the recipe, but I want to put a little bit of it on top of those blueberries. Now set this aside. Here I have 2 large eggs, the remainder of the sugar, and to steady my bowl, whisk this until it's, light and creamy. Took a minute. To that, let's add the remainder of our orange zest. Beautiful color. Here I have 160 milliliters of fresh orange juice and 160 milliliters of olive oil. Avoid the extra virgin olive oil. When the olives are pressed, the first oil out will be the extra virgin. It has a stronger flavor, that's why it's used in dressings and such. But for baking, olive oil is better. Now we're just going to whisk this until it's beautifully combined. There we go. Set that aside for a moment. In a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our flour. And here I have 155 grams of plain all-purpose flour. That's about 1.25 cups. Along with 80 grams of just regular polenta or instant polenta. That's 1/2 cup. 2 tablespoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together to combine. Okay. A quick refresher whisk. We're going to fold our dry ingredients into our wet. You can dump it all in, but fold it in gently. That looks good. No big lumps of flour in there. Now all we have to do is gently pour our batter over our beautiful blueberries. Ready for the oven.
Righty-o. In a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees C, let's bake this for 45-55 minutes until the top is golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean.
Whew. It has been 45 minutes. Let's have a look at this. The crust is a beautiful golden brown. It is springy. Pop that in there. And that comes out spotlessly clean. Perfect. All right. Oh, it smells so good. We're going to leave this sit here for about 5 minutes. And then we're going to flip it onto a plate, or in my case, a board. All right, it has been 5 minutes. I do not have a platter big enough to accommodate this, so I'm going to flip it out directly onto a cake stand. Let's see me mess this up. It's still very hot, so I'm just going to get rid of the rack, because that could trip me up. Ooh. I'm pretty sure that the blueberries are going to drip off this anyway, but you know what? A blueberry drip I can live with. All right, here goes. Get my towel back. And now we just gently remove the parchment paper. Oh my goodness, I can smell this. It is gorgeous. Oh my word. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this while it's warm. The kitchen's a mess. Don't care. I want to eat this while it's warm. It smells amazing. And I found a little ice cream. Oh my God. I'm just going to try it by itself first. I love the way the color of the blueberry bled through the cake. First off, is you get the blueberry, and the sponge is delicious. It has a wonderful texture. Oh my goodness. And the other thing I noticed right off the bat, it's not too sweet. Ice cream is melting all over the place. The polenta creates just a most magnificent texture. Blueberry olive oil polenta cake is magnificent. That's simple. You must make it. It was so simple to throw together. And I swear to you, that texture is divine. One more bite. Kathy!
Yum, I want that with ice cream right now. But first, kindly subscribe to the channel. It really helps when you do. Remember to like and leave a comment. Bye.
I've only ever made this cake with blueberries. And I'm thinking now, maybe I should try it with raspberry. That would be pretty darn good. So many options. I hope you make it. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you so much for your support. You know it means the world to me. And until next time, mind yourself. Bye.
Bye, beautiful.
And the cake is practically vegan until I threw a cow on it with that ice cream. Sorry, vegans.